Hello student, I am well, hope that you are also well. Today in this video we are going to discuss chapter 10, that is mensuration, introduction part. So let's start the video. So first of all, some concept of perimeter and area. You need to know what is a perimeter and what is an area. So perimeter is the distance covered along the boundary forming a closed figure when you go around the figure once. Any figure it can be square, it can be rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, any figure it can be. Suppose this is a figure and you have started to walk from here. This way you are walking through and again you have came back. But how many distance you have covered, how will you find out? By adding all the line segments, means this length is how much, this breadth is how much, again this length, this breadth. So how many are there? You have to see that and you have to add that. Then you will get the total distance. That total distance is called the perimeter. So perimeter is the distance covered along the boundary forming a closed figure when you go around the figure once. Then what is an area? The amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. Area means suppose that particular figure we are finding out the perimeter, that figure only, when we are finding out the amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure. This closed figure, this part is called, when you are finding out the amount of this surface, it is said as finding the area. Okay, only the boundary length we are finding out, that is perimeter, but this surface we are finding out, it is called area. Then figures in which all sides and angles are equal are called regular closed figure. So regular closed figure means what? Where all sides, suppose this the square we can take, where all the sides are equal and the angle forming are also 90 degrees. So all these are also equal. So those are called closed figures. Now some important formulas related with perimeter and area which will help you in solving the solution of 10.1, 2 and 3. So number 1, perimeter of a rectangle. Suppose the figure is a rectangle and if the length and breadth is given, how to find out the perimeter, the total length of the rectangle? One thing you can do, you can add all the sides, but a formula is there which will help you to find out it easily, that is 2 into length plus breadth. Whatever is the length and breadth, you have to add that and then you have to multiply it by 2. The particular answer will be the perimeter of the rectangle. Then perimeter of a square you are finding out. Obviously you know one side of a square is how much, suppose 4 centimeter, then the rest are also 4 centimeter only. Okay, if one side is 5 centimeter, the rest is also 5 centimeter. So what you can do, you can add all. Yes, that way also you can find out, but a short way is that you can multiply that with 4. Since 4 sides are there in a square and that are all equal, so multiply that one side by 4. Suppose 5 centimeter each side of the square is there and you are going to find out the perimeter, then 4 into 5, 20 centimeter will be your answer. You can also do 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, then also you are going to get 20. But the short way is 4, since 4 side, 4 into 5. But in case of perimeter of a rectangle, we cannot do that with 4, even though 4 sides are there. Why? Because all the sides are not equal there. Two opposite sides are equal. That is why we are multiplying by 2. First of all, we are adding the length and breadth once and then we are multiplying by 2 in case of perimeter of a rectangle. And in case of perimeter of a square, we are multiplying it by 4. Then perimeter of an equilateral triangle. You all know what is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral, so triangle you know, but equilateral triangle means what? All the sides are equal. If one side is 3 centimeter, other side are also 3 centimeter. If one side is 10 centimeter, other sides are also 10 centimeter. Just need to count the line segments, how many are there in the particular shape. Since in equilateral triangle 3 sides are there and all are all equal, so 3 into, suppose 10 centimeter is one side, so 3 into 10, that means 30 centimeter. Now proceed to number 4 point. Area of a rectangle. We have discussed about perimeter. Now we are going to discuss about area. How to find out the area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. Whatever is the length given, suppose 5 centimeter, the breadth is suppose 3 centimeter, we need to multiply that. 5 into 3, we are going to get 15. But in case of that, if centimeter is the unit, we have to write centimeter square, since it is multiplied. But in case of perimeter, only one time only centimeter you are going to, or meter, whatever is the unit given. Then area of a square, same way, if all sides are equal, that is why here formula is what? Side into side. Suppose 4 centimeter or 5 centimeter is the side of one square, then 5 into 5, 25 centimeter square will be the answer. Hope so you have understood the introduction part. Now we are going to discuss the exercise one by one. Thank you and have a nice day.